Hey guys, it's Sarah. So today's video is going to be my monthly update on my 2020 Project Pan. I have made some really good progress this month. I did use up 2 products, so I'll be rolling 2 new products in. If you're new to my Project Pan, it's a very simple, just rolling Project 10 pan that goes throughout the entire year. So we are almost halfway through the year now. I'll have my whole 2020 Project Pan playlist linked down below in case you want to catch up on my previous month's updates. The first couple products I have are kind of like base products. The first one is the Balm Shelter Tinted Moisturizer, and I only used this, I used it 5 times this month. My goal was to use it 8 times, so I didn't quite meet that goal. So didn't make a ton of visible progress on this month, but we are still getting pretty low. I still think it'll probably be a few more months before this is finished, maybe even the end of the year, just because it's such a large amount of product in here and it's not like I use a ton every time. So yeah, we'll get there eventually, but not the most exciting progress on that this month. The next one is one that I really thought I was going to be able to finish this month and I didn't. It's the CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. I use it as a glowy primer and it is so close to being empty. This practically feels empty right now. I'm pretty sure I may have like 10 more uses here. I'm definitely going to cut it open once I can't squeeze any more out, which I'm sure will extend it even further. This will definitely be done by my next update though. I don't see how that would not happen because we're so close. I'm honestly surprised I didn't finish it this month. That was the only other one that I didn't quite meet my usage goal. I wanted to use it 10 times and I only used it 6 times. The next one is one that I did finish. Now this was kind of a given. I think we all knew that this would be done this month. It's the Pixi Glow Mist. There was like a very small amount left last month, so I knew this wouldn't be too difficult to finish. So it is done. This is pretty much my favorite like finishing spray that I've ever found. So I will be rolling something new in its place and I'll share what that is at the end. So if you guys remember last month, I ended up putting all of my Stila liquid eyeshadows in. I have 4 of them. 3 of them are glitters and 1 of them is a shimmer. I have Stila Diamond Dust, Kitten Karma, and Gold Goddess in the Glitter and Glow formula, and then I have Kitten in the Shimmer and Glow formula. And I'm really just trying to use these up because they are all on the verge of drying out. I've put eye drops in them multiple times. I basically have to do that like every time I use them to get them to work because they keep drying out. So I'm like on a mission to finish these, and one of them I am gonna go ahead and call done, and that is Diamond Dust. I used it for the last time today, and I have pretty much scraped out as much as I possibly can out of here. I may have one like fraction of a use left, which I'll try to use that one more time, but I'm gonna go ahead and call this done and move on from it because I really don't want to go another month having 4 of these in my Project Pan. It just feels like a lot. But I really put my mind to it this month and I'm proud of myself. So Diamond Dust is finished. The stopper is out and there's a little bit left in the bottom, but when I look in there, it's really a small amount and it looks pretty much dried up. And I guess I could take some sort of spatula to scoop it out, but I just don't really feel the need to do that. I'm kind of done with it. I feel like I gave it a lot of love and I got a lot out of it. So that one's done. All the rest of these, I'm pretty sure I only have a handful more uses left in them. I already removed the stopper from the Shimmer in Kitten and the Glitter in Gold Goddess. I've been told that taking the stopper out makes it dry out even faster. So what I was doing was taking the stopper out every time I needed to revive it, dropping a few eye drops in, and then stirring it around and putting the stopper back on to keep it from drying out. But I found that it was drying out in between uses anyway, so I felt like what was even the point of keeping the stopper in there anymore? So I went ahead and left the stopper out. That way it's just easier. Each time I can just add like 1 drop of eye drops and it seems to work just fine for me that way. And they're so close to being done that I don't feel like it really matters that much anymore. So Kitten Karma and Gold Goddess are both really close. I think I do still have the stopper in Kitten Karma. Oh no, I took that one out too. Yeah, the stopper is out of all of these. So these will be done by my next update for sure. I just need to use them probably 2 to 4 more times and then we'll be done. And then same with the Shimmer and Glow in Kitten. This one I also took the stopper out because I couldn't really get anything out otherwise. You can see I've really scraped the sides. This is a mini as well. All of these are minis, so I am anticipating that by next month all 3 of these will be done. but I'm glad to go ahead and say goodbye to Diamond Dust because I'm ready to get these moved out. And then I have another eyeshadow. I felt pretty crazy last month having 5 different single eyeshadows in my project pan, but I knew they wouldn't be in for long and I just wanted to put my mind to it. So anyway, the other one is the e.l.f. Long Lasting Lustrous Eyeshadow in Soiree. This has been in the project since the beginning of the year, and I actually had it in a 2018 project pan too, so this one has gotten a lot of use. There's really only a small sliver left in here. I really think that this should be done within the next 3 to 6 months, just because it doesn't look like much in there, but it's not like I use that much at a time. So it's gonna be a little while longer, but we are getting there. Then we have a lip product that I rolled in, I think 2 months ago. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick in Never Nude. This is one of those lip products that really doesn't show very much progress month to month, even though I am using it a lot. I used this how many times? I used it 10 times this month. Many of those times I actually used it as a cream blush, which I really like. It's a great, just like peachy, easy cream blush. I used it like that in my Shop My Stash video last month if you want to see it in action. And then I also wore it on my lips. Of course, I have it on my lips right now. I went to measure it on my little paper and it literally looked like still there was just the tiniest sliver of progress. So I don't know if I'll ever actually finish this lipstick before it expires. I may end up rolling it out and rolling a new lipstick in its place in a few months, just so that I can maybe use up some other lipsticks, since I don't know if it's even realistic to try to use this up at any point this year. It's definitely a very stiff formula, so you really don't see a whole lot of progress even when you use it a lot, so oh well. Next, okay, this is another kind of disappointing one. This is the Physicians Formula Healthy Powder. My goal was to use this 10 times. I actually used it 20 times, so I got a lot of use out of it, and I thought that I was gonna hit pan this month, and I still haven't. Ever since I put this in the project, it's looked like I was really close to hitting pan because you can already see the ridges of the pan showing, but it's been like that since I put it in the project, so it may be a lot longer than we thought for me to hit pan on this, but I've been using this basically every day to set my foundation, and I think it used to be a lot easier for me to hit pan on powders when I had oily skin. I remember I used to fly through face powders, and now even when I use it every day, it's not like I'm using very much of it because I really only need a small amount to set my whole face so that my face doesn't look cakey and dry. So this is probably gonna take a little bit longer than I originally thought, but we'll get there eventually. So that is the update on all 10 of those products, and so like I said, I did finish the Pixi Glow Mist and the Stila Diamond Dust, so I'm gonna go ahead and roll 2 new products in. So the first one, this is gonna be a challenge, but I wanna go ahead and start on it because eventually I do wanna finish this, so why not just start now? It's the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is what it looks like now. I really haven't had this for long. Actually, that's probably not true. I've probably had it for at least 6 to 8 months, but I feel like I haven't used it that much. It's starting to kind of flatten out on the top, so that's good. It definitely doesn't have quite as much of that imprint as it did when I first got it, so that's good, but I know I've watched other people pan this and it definitely takes a long time, so we're gonna be in it for the long haul with this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and brace myself because this is gonna take a while, but I don't think it'll be too hard. Bronzer, I don't mind using the same bronzer every day or most days, and I'll probably try to use this as an eyeshadow sometimes too, so wish me luck on that. And then the other product that I want to roll in is actually another lip product, but I don't think this will be too difficult because it is a mini. This is the Tarte Tartist Glossy Lip Paint in the shade Token. It's basically like a very pigmented gloss, and it's such a small size that I really don't think it'll be hard for me to use this up. I don't plan on taking the stopper out of this one. I think I kind of learned my lesson with the NYX Butter Gloss that taking the stopper out of lip glosses is kind of just a pain more than it is helpful. So I really don't think I'll be taking the stopper out. Maybe I'll change my mind, but I doubt it. But this is a beautiful, just like rosy nude. I love wearing this. It's basically like a My Lips but better kind of color. So I don't think that this will take too long, especially because it's such a tiny mini. And this year I'm really just kind of on a mission to use up as many lip products as I can. It's not easy, but I think starting with kind of mini sizes is a good way to start to move some out. And I noticed, because I kind of had it in the back of my mind that I did want to sort of start using this up. I used it a lot this past month, even having the Wet n Wild lipstick in the Project 2. And because my goal is to only use this 5 times, that leaves me a ton of days to use other products on my lips. And I'm pretty sure I used this 5 times in May anyway, so I don't think it'll be any problem to have those 2 in the project at the same time, because they're 2 totally different formulas. Like, this is a bullet lipstick, this is more of a comfortable gloss, so I feel like that's very doable. Okay, so I think that is everything for this update. I think if all goes according to plan, I will be finished with 4 more products by next month, the rest of the Stila products and this CoverGirl primer, so that means that hopefully next month I'll be rolling 4 new things in, which will really be changing the whole dynamic of this project, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, wish me luck on all of those, and I think that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a thumbs up so that I know you liked it. I update my project pans every month at the beginning of the month, so make sure you subscribe if you would like to see all these products in action throughout the month and so that you don't miss my future updates. But I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye!